From anti-counterfeiting labels and passport to awakening every age of perception in smart cars, we focus on green transformation of energy structure, provide rich perception control solutions. Cross-age of perception, make intelligence efficient. From achieving freedom of communication in the two-generation era to accelerating the growth of digital intelligence with the rise of AI, we integrate into the construction of digital economy, expand the fastened future of optical and wireless connectivity, connecting through space, allowing intelligence to reach all directions. From industrial internet to industrial internet, from digital industrialization to industrial digitalization, we develop hundreds type of laser industry equipment, promote the optimization and upgrading of manufacturing industry, empower thousands of industries, cross-industry intelligence, make intelligent manufacturing and potent. Create a new path out of now here, flatten the road out of thoughts. For higher glory in manufacturing, innovation fuels a better world.
毕业后，我在德国工作了5年，回国后加入了华光科技，开启全新的追光之旅。这10年，建团队、配设备、建实验室，经过不断的研发与迭代，我们的产品从实验室走向了工业、半导体、新能源、医疗等行业，市场化应用程度已远超当年的预期。我参与并见证了激光向智能制造的转型升级，未来仍有无限的想象空间。
HGTECH is a wonderful company to work for. The level of innovation across multiple industries and technologies is simply amazing. Here, cultural differences are celebrated and looked upon as competitive advantages rather than barriers. We learn together, inspire each other, and cooperate as international teams. We design, manufacture, and deliver products that are recognized globally as industry-leading technologies.
在法国博士毕业后加入华工科技，我回国的原因，可能是我有一个中国胃吧。光谷充满活力，被称作向往之城。只要有勇气与梦想，热爱与坚持，就能找到施展才华的舞台。深谙光谷精神的华工科技，与我双向奔赴，相信我在光谷会有美好的未来。
华工科技是华中科技大学孵化的产业，这是一个大学人才滋养的产业，也是一个培养人才的企业大学。华工科技秉持大人才观，不为所有，但求所用。华工科技成功的最关键的模式在于它聚集人才的方式。欢迎你们来到华工科技，在这里你们可以迸发新思想，你们可以探索新领域，在这里充分施展你们的才能。
Unlimited nationalities, regardless of regions, regardless of ages and patents. Across mountains and seas, let's passions generate wealth. Hand in hand, sharing our vision with the world. Chase the direction of the wind, to which along in your heart. Ride the wind and go far.